One of the great things about a Porsche, they let you know when the 911 key fob battery needs to be replaced. Let's go. Porsche makes it easy to change the battery out. All you need to do is eject the key using one thumb to move the lock and the other to push the key out. From here, you leave the key halfway in and gently turn counterclockwise to unsnap the cover. Once unsnapped, the cover comes right off. These take a standard 2032 battery. I grabbed this 15 battery pack on Amazon for $5. They've been working fine. I'll leave a link in the description. The battery cover snaps right on easily. Just to double check the battery's in right, push one of the buttons to make sure it lights up. Good to go. Let's see if it gets rid of the error message on the dash. All good.